So I'm here at the Amazon Spheres and the Amazon headquarters. So they got a nice cool park for like the employees to chill. All those guys that are sitting right there on the stairs eating lunch, those are pretty much employees. I talked to a couple guys. They were asking me if I'm a vlogger. I was just saying this is for my YouTube channel. And yeah, they just work here and they just relax on their lunch. Freaking nice. I love this place. But around the corner, this is the main reason I'm here. It's the Amazon Go shop. Hey guys, welcome back. And today, as you guys can see behind me, is the Amazon Go store. I'm in Seattle right now, and I had to visit this. Why? Well, all of you guys are following me. I do tech reviews, and I love it when a company implements tech to make our lives much easier. So if you guys are not familiar with how the store works, you pretty much download an app called the Amazon Go. It's hard to see, but it's okay. You scan it and you go inside the store. Now there's over thousands of cameras and sensors that track your movements, track you, so you pretty much are tracked constantly. And how it works, there's no cashiers. You just come up, take the product, and the Amazon cameras or whatever, they know that you took the product from the shelf, and once you come out from the store, they will charge you for it. So we're gonna run two tests. One is, can I take something from the store without Amazon charging? And two, me and my girlfriend will both scan the same app and see if both of us could take the product, and both of us will be tracked at the same time. So without further ado, let's go in. Alright guys, so here I'm gonna turn my app on and let's head into the store.
Do you want me to take a picture of it?
So there's a scanner. So when I place my phone and I scan it, the doors open and I go in. Alright guys, so I just entered the Amazon Go store, and if you guys could see, look on top. All of those are sensors. They're tracking everything you guys could see on the shelves. So if I would pick up an item right now, they would know. I don't know how, but there's thousands of them, guys. So let's see if I could actually take something from the store, and Amazon won't charge me. You guys got here pretty much your everyday items. If you guys are from LA, it's pretty much your usual round, but without the shears. You got your milk, bottles, you got instant noodles. Beef and steak. So I just grabbed this item. So now pretty much I could throw it in my backpack, and Amazon will know that I picked it up. But I want to see if I take this item and place it into a wrong place. What am I still charged for that, or am I not? So let's go back and see the price of it. So that's $3.99 for beef and steak. So I'm not gonna pick this item up no more, guys. So let's see if Amazon actually somehow knows that I actually got the item and put it back. But now let me actually get an item that I want. So this is going to be the concept. I'm gonna have my girlfriend get this Arizona tea, put it in a different location, and I'm gonna pick it up from there and see if Amazon knows who grabbed what. So go ahead, grab that Arizona and put it somewhere down.
It might be accurate. Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to grab it from here. So Amazon should have tracked her grabbing it and putting back. Now I'm going to grab it and see if somehow they accurately know that I took it. And not only that, I'm gonna shove it in my backpack. It feels weird, right? Throwing stuff in your backpack. I feel like I'm stealing it. Alright, so one down. Let's keep on going. So, I want chocolate. I'm going to just put it here. And now what I'm going to do... What I'm going to do now is my girlfriend is going to take a couple things and see how it tracks 2 users on one app. So let's get started. Just get something. Okay, so she just chose that. That's fine. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna give it back to her, the camera. So one more test I'm gonna do. I'm going to grab a product and put it in her purse. No, I'm gonna grab the product, give it to her, and she's gonna put it in her purse. So let's go choose some candies, chocolates. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, give it to her, and she's gonna put it in her purse. So I'm gonna walk away. I wonder if Amazon knows because I picked it up in the same app, or how would it work if she would have her own app. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go outside as well. First check if I got charged for everything properly, and then she's gonna install her app, and then we're gonna do the same test again. So Amazon also got a little kitchen, so if you guys buy the snacks that are cold, you could actually microwave them and eat it right here in the side stand. Alright guys, so my girlfriend just installed her own app, so we're gonna go in and I'm going to try to walk in using her app, but instead of scanning it twice, we're just gonna scan it once and see how that works.
So you can really evaluate your own. Exactly.
So I was able to walk in just with one scan using her app. I'm not sure how that works, so I'm gonna take a product and see if she gets charged or will I still get charged on my account. So I am going to go with, let's see. Go ahead, it's fine, no problem, don't worry about it. Remember guys, my beef and steak is still there. And what do I want? There's so many options. A cookie. What about waffles? Okay, you want, which cookie do you want? You want this cookie. Alright, so I am going to grab this cookie. So I grab this cookie, hold the camera, and I'm just gonna put it in my bag. Super weird. Alright, done. pretty much it. So let's now head out of the store. So the doors just open outside. And we're done, I guess, right? Just walk out. So now I have a cookie. So let's see if her account got charged for that, or did my account get charged for that. Alright, so remember that cookie that I took by not even scanning my app and walking in as with my girlfriend at the same time with one scan? And I took the cookie and put it in the backpack. She didn't even touch it. Somehow it knows that it was the person behind her that walked in with her and took the cookie. I'm mind blown by this. Amazon is on another level. It's kind of scary at the same time because I don't know how those cameras are so accurate, but at the same time, that's awesome. Alright guys, so it was about 10 minutes and I got a notification from Amazon Go that my trip was complete. So let's see, it says today. I'm gonna screen record this for you guys as well, you know? This is gonna be much easier. Yep, so you open this, you go to receipts and you go today. So let's see, I got the Arizona green tea, that's correct. I got Nutella, that's correct. I got the mousse, correct. And I got the water. Wow. So let's see, Seattle sweetened beverage surcharge, 59 cents. That is interesting, guys. That is very interesting. So let's see, let's say I don't want this no more. How do I return this? I click request a refund. I didn't take it. None of the family and friends scanned it to. There was a problem with this item. Let's just say there's a I didn't take it. Let's just say I don't even have to put that, and then request refund, and it says, are you sure you want to request a refund? This will remove your item from your order. And then I click OK. It's then updating my receipt, and you work hard to receipt, but occasionally will slip. So they just refunded me on my chocolate mousse, and I don't even have to take this back, and I have this. So what they're going off is loyalty and trust, which is nice. It's rare to see companies that actually believe you and trust you. Wow, it's a unique experience. You guys actually have to try this yourself. That's just weird. I just went in, put all the stuff in, and I just came out. Wow. Alright, so what we're gonna do is see if she could refund it on her account as well. So I'm going to slide it to request refund and say I didn't take it. And then I'm going to click request refund. What the heck? That is crazy. Like I said, they are going by trust and loyalty. I'm just gonna have to go back and just tell them that I was just doing this for test purposes and just pay them $3. But I wonder how many times you could do this until they catch on. I really wonder how many times. I'm not gonna test that, but if any of you guys done it and know how many times you could do it, leave me a comment below. Alright guys, so this is another screen recording. This is 3 hours after I was at the Amazon Go. Now I'm going to try and refund another product, so I'm going to go with the coconut water. And I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to press there was a problem with this item, and I will just, let's see, right, did not taste fresh. And I'm going to request a refund and see if they still allow me the refund. And surprisingly, 3 hours after the purchase,
they still allowed me to get a refund. I, I'm speechless. I am really speechless on how Amazon works. The Amazon Go store works, but hey, it works for them.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching this review or test of the Amazon Go. Like I was saying, I love it when companies combine tech and make my life so much easier. So you guys could see how smart Amazon really is. So once again, give me a thumbs up guys if you like this video and demonstration on Amazon Go. Subscribe like always, and I'll see you in the next episode.